Are you looking to boost your crypto exchange's visibility and credibility? Listing on CoinGecko can be a game changer. CoinGecko is one of the most trusted cryptocurrency data platforms, offering real-time market tracking, analytics, and increased exposure to millions of users worldwide. In this module, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to successfully list your exchange on CoinGecko. Why list your exchange on CoinGecko? Getting listed on CoinGecko offers several benefits. Increased visibility. Gain exposure to a vast global audience that relies on CoinGecko for crypto market data. Enhanced credibility. A listing on a reputable platform strengthens your exchange's trustworthiness. More traffic and users. Direct organic traffic to your platform through CoinGecko's extensive network. Market data integration. Showcase real-time trading volume, liquidity, and other vital statistics. Community engagement. Connect with a wider crypto community and expand your reach. The CoinGecko listing process. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process to get your exchange listed on CoinGecko. Step 1. Review CoinGecko's listing policy. Visit CoinGecko's listing guidelines and ensure your exchange meets the eligibility criteria. Step 2. Ensure proper API documentation. Your exchange must have publicly accessible API documentation for CoinGecko to pull market data seamlessly. Step 3. Gather required information. Before filling out the listing request form, prepare the following details: exchange name and website URL, submitter's role, founder, developer, or marketing manager, API documentation link, regulatory licenses, if applicable, customer support email, year of establishment, supported countries and company address, team public profile links. Step 4. Provide exchange fee information, include details on trading fees, withdrawal fees, deposit fees, supported fiat currencies, and available payment methods. Step 5. Share community and social media links. Make sure to provide active links for Twitter, Telegram, Facebook, Reddit, Medium. Step 6. Submit backlink information. Ensure your exchange can provide backlinks to CoinGecko, enhancing the credibility of both platforms. Step 7. Upload your exchange logo. The logo should be in PNG, JPG, or WEBP format, preferably with a transparent background and a size of 200 by 200 pixels. Step 8. Provide additional information. Any extra details or remarks that can support your application. Step 9. Review terms and submit the form. Double-check all the details, agree to the terms, and submit the application. Step 10. Follow up with CoinGecko. CoinGecko may reach out for additional details. Respond promptly for a smoother approval process. Step 11. Promote your listing. Once listed, announce it on social media, integrate CoinGecko's backlink on your website, and engage with the CoinGecko community for better visibility. By following these steps, you can successfully list your exchange on CoinGecko and maximize its reach. Join our PayBitoPro Marketing Courses to stay ahead in the crypto game.